Good morning guys. Today is Vlogmas day 16. So we're still doing classes. This is my OTTD. I just have on this shirt and these cute leggings, and of course my cute little bag, and I have his bag here. And I just put on my wig, so I know it's a little bit bulky because I didn't braid my hair. I have two really big cornrows, one here and one here, but yeah.
Just hydration. Up your roof, Papa. Probeer up your roof. Up your roof.
Je moet niet vasthouden,
Je moet niet vasthouden, laat los. Plat, plat, helemaal plat. Ja, goed zo, plat.
Hij is bang. Hey guys, so I am finally home. I'm going to close the vlog here. I'm going to close Vlogmas day 16 here, but I want to show you guys something because I have some work to do. I have some bundles to color for a client of mine, so that's exciting. I always love color bundles, but look what I got. Okay, first, this is the color that we're going to, I hope you guys can see it. This is the color that we're going to use. She has 2 boxes of those, and these are the bundles that we're going to color. These are the bundles that we're going to color. There's a 24-inch, a 22, and a 20. And then she's going to, we're going with a leaf out. So yeah, it's always fun. It's always fun to do a sew-in with a leaf out. I love sew-ins with leaf out. I prefer sew-ins with leaf out. My hand is hurting. I prefer sew-in with leaf outs than sew-in with closures or frontal. I love the natural effect of the leaf out more than the frontal. It gives a natural effect and the closure, but I prefer to, you know, to have a leaf out, to put let the client have a leaf out. You can put a leaf out in the middle, you can put it on the side, you can have a little bit of a leaf out here, so it will give like the natural effect. But what I'm so excited about, guys, I'm so excited about this. So she told me that the lady who she bought the bundles from gave her a bottle of peroxide and a pack of powder, bleach powder. So I thought it was a small bag, but guys, if you are a hairdresser, this is something that's going to excite you. Look at the bag. That's a big bag. Just to give, she just gave it like, and look at the bottle of peroxide. I mean, I'm so excited to color again. Look at the bottle. I'm so excited to color. So I have some work. I have some work to do, but it's fun. It's fun. I like it. I like it. So the reason why I like it is I left my 9 to 5 job a month ago. I think it's a month ago. And right now I'm just focusing on, you know, doing what I can in this hair. So yeah, it's fun. It's fun. It's giving I'm busy, I'm talented. It's giving I'm doing something. So I like that for me. I like that for me. So guys, I'm gonna close on my vlog for today. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And for those who are watching my vlogs, thank you so much. For those who are commenting and liking, thank you so much. And I will see you guys in another one. Good morning. Today is Vlogmas day 17. As you can see, I have a whole lot of clothes to wash. I have some more here. I have some more here. So today will be a reset day, cleaning, you know, just get everything together for the new week, because Christmas will be in 2 weeks, 1.5 weeks. No, I'm sorry, 1.5 weeks. So I want to get everything clean and neat before Christmas. So I'm going to wash my hair also, because it's so super dirty with all the gel and everything. So yeah, let's start Vlogmas Day 17.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup.
Wait,
How do you
girl.
look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second. I love this moment, yeah. We don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another day. Today it's Vlogmas day 18. So the sound that you're hearing on the back is my washing machine. I'm washing clothes, but I thought let me do like a wig maintenance video, because I didn't really take the time to style my wig, guys. Yeah, so that I have some content for Vlogmas day 18. So today I have a free day today. I'm home. My appointments start from tomorrow, so today I'm home. So I thought let me just, you know, relax and do like a wig maintenance. So I'm gonna bring you guys.